Hey guys, and welcome to my bathroom. I feel like I've been doing a lot of videos in my bathroom recently, so welcome back. Today, what we're gonna do is I want to do some cosplay today, and it's been a little while since I've done any kind of video related to cosplay. Throwback here, throwback going on. What recently sparked this, I was going through my closet the other day and I found my Princess Bubblegum pajama shirt. Yeah, I just want to go ahead and, like, why not start getting back into that? And I actually bought this wig at ASIN back in 2009 or 2010 maybe. I actually haven't really worn it that often. I think there's only been maybe a handful of times I've worn it. I feel like it's still in pretty good condition, and I feel like since I haven't worn it that much, that's why it still is. So let's just start getting into it. I have my wig brush. I have my wig. And why am I in the bathroom, you might ask? It's because we're gonna go ahead and wash this wig. But first things first, I'm gonna brush it out. So you guys are essentially in the bathtub right now. And I'm just gonna brush it from the bottom up. So this is what we're working with. There we go. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I think it looks really cute. I like these little waves. I'm not really too concerned about losing them though, because it's the pajama sleep scene, so the hair is gonna be messy anyway. And I washed it and conditioned it in purple shampoo because I wanted to see if I can get it just a little bit lighter. And it kind of worked. Or it could just be me, I don't know. Just gonna give her a little ruffle to get her curl back. I think we got something here. So the only thing I really want to do is just kind of spike these bangs up a little bit. Okay. Switching some lighting here, that way you can actually kind of see what's going on here a little bit. So this is the scene that I'm trying to do. I have the shirt, I don't have the crown, so I think I'm going to do it without the crown, but this is the hair that I'm trying to go for, so I'm trying to make it a little messy. I feel like out here looks a little more accurate to what it looks like in real life. It looks like I just got out of bed. I'm going to go ahead and move on to makeup. this is the outfit that I went with. I don't have dark pink pants like she does, so I just went with these light pink ones. And then there's the shirt. I got my arms pink. For a closet cosplay, I think it came out pretty good actually. And just using things that I had kind of around. I'm liking being pink though. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for sticking around and going through this little process with me. This was a lot of fun on my end. I think I'm going to record some TikToks, maybe take some pictures for Instagram, because it's been a while since I've taken pictures for Instagram. So yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. I enjoy being pink, that's for sure. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should do this for like a con or something. Let me know what you guys think. And then I got to get the crown too, obviously, if I do take this to a con. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Raggedy Princess can make you a new Hambo in like 3 seconds. Or Raggedy Princess can be your new Hambo. She'd do it too. That girl's got like 0 self-respect. That's mean. Don't tell her I said that.